5 little birds sitting in a tree, tweeting and chirping, happy as can be. One flew away up into the sky, waving a wing as it said goodbye. 4 little birds perched on a branch,